On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear.
Good morning, guys. So this is how I start my morning, usually with a cup of coffee. Right after Anna goes back to school, I try to put myself together, drink like 2, sometimes 3 cups of coffee. Yeah, it's a lot. I used to drink 1, but now, I don't know, I've just been drinking 2 or 3 sometimes. But I've been sick and also working a lot, so I didn't really have time to film any video. So Anayan decided to help me out and take over today. So today is gonna be only Anayan showing you how he's playing with one of his favorite toys, which I thought would be a great idea right before Christmas, in the case you guys thinking about putting something on a Christmas list for Santa and can decide. So maybe the toy Anaya likes would be a great idea for your kids. So let's let Anaya to take over, and hopefully you guys like it. And if you do, please thumbs it up, and see you tomorrow in another video. Bye!
Yes. Okay, hello guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, so let's start playing and let's go. Fix actually 2 luggages, it fits in 1. Then you have to just put 1 separately and put it in the cargo. And go close that. Putting some luggage on to the team, how you call that? How did I put the luggage on it? And then just slide it back. But usually my thing isn't working, so don't take it to the airplane to luggage. Open up the door, put some luggage inside. Close it. And now I'll show you inside the airplane, then we can start taking off. Okay, so let me bring those stairs to the airplane before it takes off. Open the doors. Now I'll show you a pilot cabin. Cabin has 2 pilots, but we come with 1 pilot, and then I'll take out your other airplane. And then I like how this decoration is with the little things and stuff. I lost the sticker for this. And it has a little coffee cup. I like this coffee cup. It actually fits in their hand actually, but I don't know where it went. Okay, let's load some people, take off the roof. It even has a bathroom right here. It even has a door in the bathroom. People can get in. Pilot actually can come sit down. Okay, it has big wings and it wing shakes. Okay, so let's load some people. This is the set where the person come in this set, but I put my other guys in the Lego set to put them in the airplane and get ready for kickoff. This is the captain of the tower. Shh. Here's a stewardess, pilots, flight attendants. You can wash your hands. Actually, I like little bitty tiny drink. Here's a tiny drink with speakers. It's wonderful. I don't drink all my drink. I missed the airplane. Oh, I missed the airplane. I'm down a few minutes. See, the wings actually shake like I told you. And let's get all the passengers out. Now it's perfect. Oh, yeah. Now kick off the passengers. We're going to the airport. Another guy getting in to the airport. There's another guy going to the airport. Look at all these guys I played with. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe next time, and bye.
Two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.